While President Emerson Mnangagwa rushed with indecent haste to congratulate incoming Mozambican President Daniel Chapo for winning a recent disputed presidential election even before official results were out, amid protests and post-election violence, the Southern African Development Committee SADC Extraordinary Summit held in Harare on Wednesday refused to do so. Sanapenda mashuko atona kuti aiwa kunyangwe the leader announced the chairman with the SADC block kunyakwa congratulate aiwa vakumana ku Mozambique tona kuti the block yakaya ikaita otherwise ikaita showdown. Sanapenda mashuko mdanyu pana blog subscribe like turn the bell icon tipina panapa the news of some mdanyu ravachiti the SADC community congratulated Botswana President Duma Boko and Mauritius Prime Minister Navin Ramgoolam for their victories, but not Chapo. Chapo, who has not yet been sworn in as president, Filipe Nyusi is still in office, was not even mentioned. Mnangagwa and his allies tried to use the SADC troika of the Organ on Politics, Defense and Security Cooperation, chaired by Hassan Ali Mwinyi, President of Zanzibar, on behalf of Tanzanian President Samia Suluhu Hassan, to do so during the deliberations on Tuesday, but the extraordinary summit of heads of state and government resisted doing that. Government spokesperson Nick Mangwana on Wednesday posted that the troika had congratulated Chapo, but SADC leaders did not do that. Mashoko arikuita exposed na wakomana veZVAITWA vambire nao vachita aiwa vakomana ava vanofamba vachita manyepo tunakuti vakomana nani Mangwana are being used kuti vaya vachipublicize nhema pazvinhu zvaitika paground zvisiri izvo. Zvinoonekwa kunzi aiwa vakomana naChapo they were not congratulated by the SADC troika summit yakanga iripo munyika yeZimbabwe. Tize mafunguro enyu moti kudiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi pinda kumesection medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.